Guys, this is like my third time trying to record this video. If it wasn't me trying to sing Yo Ho, A Pirate's Life for Me and can't remember all the words, that was time one. Time two, the kids burst in the door, and time three now. So hopefully, cross your fingers that we make it through. All right, today is so much fun. Welcome to day 3 of Disney Week. You're going to look at the price of tickets and you're going to decide how much money you're going to save based on the deals. So we're going to, pretend we're grown-ups trying to find the best deal to go to Disneyland. So I'm going to click on the next slide, and my internet is being so slow. Sorry. Okay. So here's what you have to do. It says, how much do I save by purchasing a multi-day ticket, at the beginning of my vacation compared to buying a one-day ticket each day? So here's what we are going to do. So it tells you that it's $105 for an adult, and for a child, it's $99 a day. Okay, so we're going to use that information and we're going to take it with us to figure this out. So we're going to take this information for a 2-day for an adult. Let me grab a piece of paper. Okay, so I have my paper and I have my marker. So I'm looking at 2 days. So I need to figure out, so I'm going to take 109 for the adult. Excuse me, 105. Oh man, first mistake I've made all year. And I'm going to times that by 2 because that's how much it would cost me if I was buying a new ticket every day. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. We put down the 0, carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. So that's going to cost me $210. But on a 2-day adult pass, it says $192. So I'm going to subtract $192 to find out how much money did I save. So can't take 2 away from 0, so that becomes a 0. That becomes a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Can't take 9 away from 0, so that becomes a 1. This becomes a 10. So I saved myself $18. Do you see that? And we wrote it in red for you so you can see, because the examples were done for you. All right, let's do the child one to make sure you understand. So a regular child ticket costs $99. Okay, $99. But I want to know, if I bought a new child ticket every day, how much is it going to cost me? So I'm going to times that by 2 because right now we're working on 2 days. Guess what? If we were working on 3 days, we'd multiply it by 3. And 4 days, we'd multiply it by 4. You get the drift. Okay, so here we go. 2 times 9 is 18. Put down the 8, carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So if I bought a new ticket for my child every day, I would spend $198. But the discount says it's $179. Okay, so we're going to subtract those to find the difference. We're going to find our discount. Okay, so cannot take 9 away from 8. So my 9 becomes an 8. My 8 becomes an 18. 18 minus 9 is 9, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So it is a discount of $19. So I'm actually saving $19 if I buy the 2-day discount pass instead of paying every day that I go for a new pass. So your job is to finish this. So you're going to take 3-day adult, 3 times the normal adult price, and then figure that out. Now, guess what? We were super gracious for you and put in this 3rd page. This 3rd page shows you the examples and helps you get it, gets you set up. So number 1, it shows you what's going to happen for the adult and the child. And it shows you the math right here, okay, for the first 2 parts. Then it shows you how to set it up for part 3 for a 3-day pass. you need to make sure you do it. So multiply how many days by the original price, the original adult price and the original child price, get a total, subtract the discount price to find out how much you are saving. Good luck. Get busy. Don't waste time.